Hey everybody, welcome back to another wood-shaped video. Yes, this is another French cleat wall. This is all French cleat all the time. No, just joking, but in all seriousness, how's everyone's French cleat walls coming along? You responded so well to my first video that I'm excited to bring you a follow-up video. You see, we moved recently and my cleat panel worked out perfectly for the move. I even decided to expand my wall to 5 panels instead of the original 3. Sit back and relax and enjoy my French cleat evolution, and we'll see you at the end. How you like them apples? So you see why panels are so nice? Because we're moving, and so imagine having to unscrew every cleat individually. So out here in the shop tonight, I got 2 panels of French cleat wall up. Look at this chisel holder here. We're in for 3 more. What a superb French cleat wall. Wow. At least I think so anyway. I now have more than enough space to accommodate all of my tools. If you want to see some of my latest tool holders, one of those being my track saw and the other my router, follow me on Instagram at woodshaped, and I post daily shop updates. You definitely don't want to miss those. I'll be making a lot more holders for my tools. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and throw a comment below. And remember, until next time, go shape some wood, and we'll see you again soon.